Hi everyone. The rise of healthcare sector is not a mystery. As population rises, so does the importance of a proper healthcare system. This inspired us to help people and deliver a simple but effective solution for them. Anya is your personal healthcare assistant who can manage your appointments and health insurance, monitor your health, locate nearby doctors, and also check your symptoms for possible health conditions. This makes Anya a robust chatbot which can act as a one stop solution for its users. And this is the website where Anya is deployed in. So now let's see what Anya can do. We are just going to give help. So we can see that Anya can do these things. So let's first dive into the appointment management tasks. So let me just book an appointment first. So it's asking for my date of birth. So just now I am noticing that I have entered my Aadhaar card number as a wrong one. So I am using the feature offered by Kore.ai amend entity to just change my Aadhaar card number again. So now I am going to give the correct Aadhaar card number. Now it's asking for my PIN code for further authentication. So we can see that Anya has sent an OTP to my registered email. So I'm just going to copy my OTP from here. So I'm just going to select a general physician. So Anya is asking me in which day would I like to have the appointment on. I'm just going to give tomorrow. Maybe 10:30 will be a good time for me. So we can see that my appointment has been successfully booked. And Anya will also send an email to confirm my appointment. We'll just go and see whether I received the email or not. So we can see that. So this is the email Anya sent me. I'm just going to view my appointment here. I remember that I would like to reschedule my appointment to some other time. So I'm just going to reschedule my appointment now. So Anya just lists my appointment which I need to be rescheduled. So I'm just giving the same day. So I'm just giving going to give tomorrow. So maybe by evening I will be free. So it seems that my slot has been booked already. So I'm just going to cancel my appointment now. So we can see that my appointment has been successfully cancelled. Now let's see whether I have received an email for it. So we can see that I have also received an email for my cancelled appointment. So now let's dive on to our next use case. So Anya can also help you to manage your claims and your policies related to your health insurance. So let's say I have to file a new claim. So Anya is asking for my policy number now. So I'm filing this claim for myself. So let us say I was given medical treatment for it yesterday. So Anya is asking these information so that the details of my claim can be stored somewhere. So it says that the claims department will contact me once a decision has been made or if additional information is required. So Anya will also send an email for this. So it will just update me on my claim status. So it seems that my claim has been successfully submitted and they will contact me after my claim gets accepted. Now let's just view our claim. So we can see that my claim is here. So now let's dive on to a new use case. Like for, let us say I want to apply for a new policy. I'm just going to give. So Anya is asking for me about, is going to ask me a few questions about me. So for my first name, I'm just giving. So Anya is going to ask a few questions about my health conditions so that it can give me a proper policy. And the answer for these questions will be stored in the database so that the review committee can view it. So it seems that my new policy has also been submitted. So let's see if I get a confirmation mail for it. So I can also view my policy status through my email and they will contact me in another 5 business days. So let's say I'd like to change my policy for that matter. So it says that I'm currently on my platinum policy. So I'm just going to turn it down a notch to gold. And it says that I've also paid a 7,000 deductible last year. So it says that the change of policy has also been sent to my email ID. So let us say I need a new policy card. I'm just going to ask Anya to provide me a new policy card. So it's verifying whether my current address still is in Iron Street. I'm just going to give no and I'm just going to give my new address. So the shipment details about my new card is also sent to my email. So it seems that I will also receive it in 7 business days. Now let's say I would like to update my profile and I will have to change some uh, my name or address or something like that. So I'm just going to ask Anya to update my profile. So it's asking what would I like to update. So it says name, address, phone number, email, etc. So I'm just going to update my address here. So I don't need to update anything else. So I'm just going to give no. Now let's dive on to the next use case. Suppose if I am stuck somewhere and I need to see a nearby doctor who is available right now for some particular health condition. So I'm just going to see, is there any nearby doctor? So I want to see if a dentist is available near me. So the zip code where I'm currently at is. So we can see that these dentists are available near me. So I can also book an appointment with them from here itself. Now let's see our next use case about virtual diagnosis. Now let's say I just type to the bot, I feel sick. For virtual diagnosis, I'm using an expert system offered by Informatica API. It's just asking for my symptoms now. I'm just going to give cough. So it's asking for my age now. So now the expert system, the Informatica API will ask me about 20 questions. And with using these 20 questions, it's going to predict what disease I'm suffering from and what is the probability of me getting that disease. Anya has found out what disease I might be suffering from and the probability of me suffering from that device. So I have also included a triage level here, which is also offered by the Informatica API. A triage just tells us whether my condition is so severe so that I should visit the doctor immediately, or it can be taken care from my home itself. So now it says that it does not require an immediate action. If only if my symptoms get worse, I should visit a doctor. So now let's dive on to the next dialogue task. Like suppose about my personal health. So what if I want to know how many calories did I consume today? So I'm just going to give. So it's just asking me for what did I eat for breakfast. I'm just going to give sandwich. So using the Nutritionix API, I can calculate the amount of calories consumed through my food. So it seems that I have consumed 527 calories today. So Anya is asking me how many calories I have burnt today. So would I like to know that? And I'm just giving yes. So it's asking me what physical activity did I do today so that it can calculate how much calorie did I burn. So I ran like 10 miles today. Even this is calculated by the Nutritionix API, and the amount of calories I have burned is also measured through it. So now let's go to the next thing. How much calorie do I need to maintain a day so that I can. So here we have used a digital form. So I am maintaining an extra active lifestyle here. So I want to maintain my weight right now. So it seems that I can consume 3239 calories per day. This is enabled by our JavaScript where we have calculated it using Mifflin's Endure equation. So now let's check about my BMI. So Anya can also calculate my BMI. So let us take this as an example. Is there anything I can? So what if I enter the same question in Spanish? So the bot has detected that my input is in Spanish, so I'm just clicking to convert for it. So it's asking me something in Spanish, so I'm just going to copy it. So it has said that I have burned 228 point calories. We have also trained it to detect angerness from the user. So if I say something like piss off, So it can instantly detect whether the user is angry or not. And this is enabled to the intelligence feature offered by Kore.ai called sentiment analysis. So I'm just giving nothing. So Anya is just ending itself gracefully. And this is my bot, Anya. Thank you.